Right now, 1 in 8 children live in the households with at least one parent who has a substance use disorder. That's according to the National Alliance for Drug Endangered Children. And now Waukesha County is working on a county-wide coordinated effort to address drug and alcohol issues affecting those kids and those families. 12 News' Mallory Anderson is joining us live from the Waukesha County Sheriff's Office. And Mallory, a new protocol was just signed by county leaders.
Yeah, Deanna, and through this new protocol, the county can actually enhance their response to the immediate needs of drug endangered children. They then can find evidence to charge the people that are endangering these kids. So basically how this all works and what this means is that social services and law enforcement are now better able to work together to not only identify households with neglect or substance abuse issues, but also remove children from those homes and get them the help they need. These groups have always been able to collaborate, but with this protocol in place, the process will be streamlined and hopefully help more kids. Together, they can potentially interview children about what's going on and get medical evaluations and urine collection tests to see if there's drugs in the child's system. This program isn't brand new. It's actually a state program that other counties have adopted. However, it's not required, and counties can decide whether or not they want to take part. Waukesha County says it's taken them 3 years to get to today, and they're really proud to adopt this new protocol.
With the Drug Endangered Child Protocol approach, law enforcement plays a critical role in identifying children at risk of harm due to drug activity, as well as a crucial part of a system focused on helping children. What this means is it takes a village. Law enforcement alone is not going to solve this problem. Social services alone is not going to solve this problem. What we need to do is not operate as silos, but actually build bridges, right? Build bridges and form an integrated partnership. What that means is a partnership with our community.
So what happens from here? Well, that protocol was signed by county leaders just moments ago, and then they all sat in on a training. They're inside that training right now, and that includes law enforcement officials, Health and Human Services Department, people like that within the county. From there, after the training, they'll be able to implement these new protocols and programs into the real world and hopefully help children that are affected by drugs and alcohol in their household.
And the top of mind conversation here is safety in the household. Mallory Anderson reporting live for us from the Waukesha County Sheriff's Department.